Welcome back to Road Rivals. Today, we're diving into a true American icon, the 1965 Cadillac DeVille. A car that wasn't just built for the road, it was built to rule it. Slow motion shots of the Cadillac rolling down the street, chrome reflecting the sunlight. The 1965 DeVille was Cadillac's statement to the world, long, luxurious, and loaded with style. It stretched over 18 feet, had sleek body lines, and an unmistakable presence that turned heads everywhere. Close-up of the front grille, headlights turning on, and hood ornament shining. Host voiceover. Under the hood, you got a monstrous 429 cubic inch V8 pushing out 340 horsepower, effortless power for a car that was all about smooth cruising. Driving footage, the DeVille rolling low and slow, showing off its air suspension. On camera, driving. Behind the wheel, this car feels like a floating lounge. The ride is soft, the cabin is quiet, and that red leather interior? Pure luxury. Interior shots, dashboard, steering wheel, plush seats. Cadillac packed this beauty with features ahead of its time: automatic climate control, power windows, and a ride so smooth it was nicknamed the Boulevard Cruiser. Side profile shot at sunset, showcasing the car's elegant silhouette. But here's the best part, classic DeVilles like this are still turning heads today. Whether it's restored to perfection or customized with modern upgrades, this car is the definition of timeless cool. Compilation of beauty shots, rolling shots, engine revs, close-ups of details. So, what do you think of the 1965 Cadillac DeVille? Dream car or just a piece of history? Drop a comment below and let's talk. And if you love classic rides and custom builds, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because here at Road Rivals, we bring you the best from the streets to the showroom. Until next time, keep it fast, keep it loud, and keep it classic.